I want to show you the compressor that we have. This is the 30-gallon air compressor. 30 gallons, 6.8 at 40. But this video is not supposed to do a review. This is supposed to show you. I want to show you, tell you how I like it and stuff. It runs quiet. Leave it on 24/7 overnight. Coiled air hose. I can run on my palm sander here. I'll show you this right now. Palm sander. Sweet palm sander. I can also run my cutoff tool, but right now I don't need to use it and don't want the compressor to kick on. But these are the other tools. Okay, fine, I want to show you the cutoff tool here. Give me a second. Cutoff tool. And then this is the adapter that I use to blow out my garden hoses at the end of winter, or before winter. Air ratchet. I'm pretty sure you've seen an air ratchet before in your garage, in your station or mechanic shop. Blowgun. Simple blowgun. Impact nail gun. This is not a nail gun like the one I'm about to show you in a second. Impact gun. Impact gun is the same thing like an air ratchet, but cooler. I don't know. Inline air regulator. Air drill. And then air hammer. It's the chisel rocks. Nail gun. Ow, I cut myself good. Nail gun. This is what I use to build tree house with. Can't hook it. There's no nails. I'm not doing any woodworking projects, so. Woodworking. I'm just gonna show you what sound it makes. Before I show you, I want to show you the nail gun. So this thing's on single shot, so I can press the trigger and it fires like this. Turn down your volume, might be a little loud. And just letting you know, there's no staples. See, I want to show single shot. So single shot, you hold the trigger down right, but then once this thing is pushed down, it fires like this. Push down. Let's get the whole thing. Trigger down. Push down. Fire. Push down. Fire. Push down. Fire. Push down. Fire. Or you could be like this. That's bump fire. So every time the tip comes down, it fires. Thanks. Yeah. This is the garage. We do a lot of, well, we're not doing it right now, but we're going to. So, and for some of you guys, when I told you I like to snowboard, we got snowboards. Got it for Christmas, and we take them out to go snowboarding at snowshoe and stuff, and table saw. Not really supposed to use it, but I use it anyways. Pretty good saw. Yeah, cool. Bye.